Okay, I'm going to show you quickly how to install Linux Mint. So all you have to do is download the ISO file. So you go Linux Mint. You go, so it's this first one, linuxmint.com. Click on there. Now you can click on download there. Scroll down, you get different flavors, editions of Linux Mint. So you get Cinnamon, XFCE, and Mate. These are light versions, and this is the I don't want to say full version, but this one looks the best. And it's Linux. It will run fine on your computer, except if you have a very old computer. So you just click on download, and then you scroll down to the mirrors to get your ISO files. Just choose the country choose your country or the region closest to you. Click on it and download the ISO file. Alright, the next thing you have to do is, let's see, Rufus. You have to download Rufus. This is the tool to install Linux on your computer. Let's go there. So this is rufus.ie. Scroll down till you get here. You see Rufus, the first one, standard for Windows. You get a portable version. Just click on there and download it. And then once that is done, you open up Rufus. And you just close this down. You select your device, your flash drive. You select the ISO file, or you select this disk or ISO image, and then you select the ISO file here. So you will just select it, obviously. And then mine is already on the stick, but if it's not, you will be able to change the MBR. So if it's an older computer, I know the laptop I'm installing to is very old. It's 32-bit version. So I used MBR, and you can change all of this. So if it doesn't want to work, just come change the settings here. All these settings are fine. And then you can just start, and it will load the image to your flash drive, make it bootable. Okay, so over to the little laptop. It's an Asus Triple E, quite an old little laptop that I digged out, and I want to give it a second life. Unfortunately, it's a 32-bit version, so yeah, Linux it is. So to install Linux Mint on there, obviously you need your flash drive with your installation files. Plug it in. If I can plug it in. Right. I have to restart. As you can see, Mint is running on here. It's not doing too bad. It's way better than Windows 10 that was on here. It was originally with Windows XP, and I put 10 on here and it was unusable. So let's boot this up. Okay, so I had to press escape to get into the bootable sections. So it shows my hard drive and my flash drive, Kingston. So now I can select, if it doesn't want to boot up, you just have to press escape or F8 or any of those keys. Just find out. Okay, so if I go in, it should give me this menu. So when I installed it, I used the first option, and once I rebooted it, it didn't want to start up. It gave me a black screen with a cursor in the left top corner. So if it does that, oops, like that, exactly like that. So now I have to restart it. Oh my goodness. Restart. Press escape again. It's so annoying. Choose that, and then you choose. If it gives you that problem, just use start LMDI in compatible mode, and mine worked fine. So obviously I don't want to do any of this, and that's it. It should take a while to install, and it should be fine.